Now for the net profit percentage chart, the chart is same. So let's save some time, copy this chart and paste it down like this. So everything is same. Instead of gross profit percentage, it will be net profit percentage. And of course we need to change the data. So right click here, select data. So for gross profit now we want net profit. So select this particular value and the series would be this series data. Click OK. For max GP, we don't need max GP now, we need max NP. So max NP, series name, and the data would be this. Instead of mean GP, we want mean NP. So this would be the data series name, mean NP percentage, and the data would be this. Click OK, click OK. Now let's bring data labels like this. As you can see, our chart is ready with minimum efforts. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you can just reuse it. And the alignment is also perfect because we just use the same chart here. The color can be changed, so let's make it light gray, one more shade. And for the mean NP percentage, let's keep consistent with this kind of color. And for max NP percentage, let's keep same color. So here now we can give chart title, product performance, sales, GP with percentages. You can say with high and low percentages. Now the title looks bigger, so let's reduce the text and bring it to the right. Now to group them, we need to select this chart. So select here, holding Control key, select again this chart and again this chart, and go to shape format here and go to group and select group. Now this entire group can be moved here and there because we have grouped all of them together. They are now part of one object. And you can always change them. Here, let's bring this chart up and also reduce the height. So the group will remain as is, and whenever you change the shapes like this, it will automatically apply to all of them. So our first chart is ready for the individual product performance. Now since we're going to apply a little bit darker background, that is the picture, and in that case we need to change this some fonts and colors, which you can do later stage, but our overall chart is ready. Only the formatting can be changed later on based on the color scheme of your business, the background you're going to use for the dashboard. So that's it for this particular lecture. And in the next lecture, we're going to build our monthly performance chart for the sales, gross profit, net profit, and highest gross profit percentage, lowest gross profit percentage, highest net profit percentage, and lowest net profit percentage charts. I'll see you in the next lecture. If you have any questions regarding building this chart, please let me know in the Q&A section. Thank you so much for watching.